Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to merge shape. As example, I will insert box and the other you can insert the cylinder. Now if you want to merge between these two objects, you can select the objects and then you need to touching each other like this. And after it, if you want to merge, you can use group tools, select the all object and then you can click this icon group. So it will be automatically merged. I will insert again another. You can insert con at the top here. And then I will insert this pyramid at this face. After it, to merge, you can select all and then you can click group tools. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to merge shape. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.